trying to catch today, Kim?
Some big fucking fish.
Alright, so we all settled down at a spot on the pier. What pier is this again? Ocean View Fishing Pier in Norfolk. Alright, first fish of the day. Got a croaker on. Just using the fake bloodworms. And yeah, more to come. Got one?
Yeah. It's actually big.
You're lying, bro.
Yeah, it is.
What is it?
It's a good size, bro.
Croaker?
I don't know yet. Let's see.
Alright, Kim's hooked on. What you got? Bro, you caught on somebody's line.
Oh man, my bad. I was like, man, I had a big one.
I let that man use my rod once and he gets snagged on somebody else's. Come on, man. Alright, we only got 2 croaker, but the day's still young. What else are we gonna catch?
Man, we catch big motherfucking fish.
You got a cast?
No, yeah. Check
Hey,
it out, guys.
oh,
Check it out, guys. Here, let me show them my bait.
what you got on?
See, we got some green sour patch going on.
Uh-huh,
We got some bloodworm
uh-huh.
with some apple juice in it.
Let's go.
Oh man. Good job.
I love it.
Yeah.
Alright, guys. Kim got some bite. What a small one?
Let's see what we got, guys.
What is that? Oh, you got double up?
Man.
Hey.
Let's see what's up.
Croaker. Oh, those are good size.
Yeah, we got croaker.
That's a good one, that's a good one. Alright, we've been out here for like what? 4 hours?
30 seconds.
We're out here for like 3 hours, 4 hours. We got a lot of croaker, spot. More croaker coming in. We got like 2 small sea bass, but we have to throw them back. But we're about to leave soon, but we're gonna come back later, so stay tuned. Alright, what's up, guys? It is now like 7 p.m. same day. We switched from the pier to the beach. It's really nice out. We got the setup there, all the rods out. We've been just catching some perch, or not perch, spot and croaker again, like usual. This man's crabbing right there. So yeah, if we catch anything big, I'll let you guys know.